Hey guys, welcome back to Bright Night Tech. My name is Berto and today we are looking at the VeGue WM-2 wireless microphone. We'll start with an unboxing and then we'll take a look at what it can do. So let's get started. Alright, here we have the box. Very nice. I'm really loving these open here tabs. So I guess we open it up here. Let's go ahead and open it up. Boom. Alright, first of all, let's get that out of the way. We got these wind covers for the mics. And we have the instruction booklet. Comes with 2 mics and the receiver. And a couple other things. Gives you all the breakdown of how everything works. There you go. Even gives you a troubleshooting part, which is kind of cool. Alright, let's take a look. Here we have an audio splitter, 3mm audio cable. Very good. Alright, let's get right into it. Let's look at this mic, which right away I can feel it's nice and hefty and sturdy. So let's take this guy out. There's some tape there. Alright, here we go. This is a beautiful mic. Feels really nice and sturdy. It's made out of metal. It's got some plastic, but not all of it. Nice physical button right there. Yeah, it looks good. I'm always happy with VeGue's quality of product. Let's put this guy back down. It comes with a second microphone, and right here we have the receiver. So it's very simple. I'll turn it over. Alright, it has a regular connection. It does come with an adapter that I'll show you in just a second. This part is rechargeable. You can open it up to look at the battery, but this guy's rechargeable. You have to use the micro USB, I believe. Figure that out in just a second. Yeah, micro USB input right there. And then on and off. Wish it was USB-C. Everybody should be using USB-C, but I feel like it's for cost reasons. There's the micro USB cable right there. I feel like that's the way they were able to keep prices down. This is a roll guard, I guess you would call it, for the microphone. You put it on the microphone, basically, so it doesn't roll away. Here is your adapter for that input that it has to the 3mm audio. Alright, so according to the instructions, I can connect this microphone's receiver to my camera. I got a Canon M50. This is going to be a great way for me to film my Game Boy refurbs. If you don't know about those, go ahead and check out the videos that are coming soon. And this is going to help me be able to have my microphone on the desk while my camera's recording, so I don't have to have various other audio things. So this thing looks like it comes in very handy. So let me show you what it looks like on my camera. Now it does look a little funky. That's basically what it looks like. And it's on. And it just kind of hangs down there. I'm not crazy about the angle it's coming down on, but I think it should be okay. But yeah, there you go. You can also connect this to an external speaker. Right now you're getting a good example of sound. So I'm hoping it sounds very clear. You can connect both mics because the kit comes with 2 mics. You can connect both of them and use them at the same time. There are lights on the receiver to let you know when both mics are live. Like I showed you before, it uses 2 AA batteries. But anyway, it's a very sturdy mic. I really like it. I do foresee myself using these for other things. Not karaoke exactly, but okay. So reviewing some of the sound, I realized that when I pop my P's really hard, it cuts out. So I put the little wind protector on it to see if that helps. So in order to change the channel, if you do need to, you take off the battery cover and there's a button inside that you press. Change the the channel for you. There's also, if you look at the instructions, ways to pair it to the receiver if you're having any issues. But if you are pairing it with its partner, make sure they are on the same channel so they're both talking to the same receiver. So let me know what you guys think. I definitely am going to use this for a few different things, just to see how the audio quality works, but it'll probably save me some extra steps, like when I'm doing audio, instead of connecting my camera and then also my laptop to get audio separately. This could probably save me some time. Also, if you're okay with the sound, if you're doing on location pieces where you're interviewing people, this might be a really good alternative to a more expensive wireless mic. You guys let me know what you think. I do really like this. I would definitely recommend it more if you need something for like a karaoke mic, anything like that. I think this is a fantastic way to go, especially price wise. It's so low, it's so easy to set up. Definitely check it out. Highly recommend it.
Alright, so you guys want to know where to get this and how much it is? You can pick this up on Amazon right now for $52.99. That's a great price, especially for a UHF microphone. I mean, it just comes with a receiver, no speaker, but you're saving a lot of money this way than buying one of those big, expensive rigs. I mean, nothing that I haven't already said, but great quality materials that this microphone is made of. Works great. I also think it's pretty cool they send you 2 mics. That is also a win. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and put in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button for notifications, and we will see you next time.